Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files on your OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, first we'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files on this phone, and there should be in DCIM and then screenshots. There will be one screenshot. Let's try adding another one. So now there should be a total of 3 screenshots right here. Now let's select each of them that we want to pack. Click on this plus button. Here we'll be able to change archiving options for this exact archive. So you can change the name for this archive. Let's call it picture. You can set the password for this archive. Change its extension, so you can pick to be RAR or zip or RAR 4.x. You can delete files after archiving or create solid archives. Now in advanced you will find more advanced settings, and in the options there will be more options. In the comment section you can leave any description about this archive, and when it's done, click OK. As you can see, we just created picture.rar, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.